everyone, I'm Sushma Gurung. Today I'm talking about understanding pedagogies for multiliteracy learning. The pedagogy of multiliteracy provides a complete framework for literacy learning in 21st century. This framework can be implemented in early childhood setting as well. The pedagogy of multiliteracy can be defined as a way to view literacy learning and teaching in a broader way, incorporating multimedia, more text, sounds, graphic images, and other digital technology. This helps educators to be more creative in their literacy classroom, and the incorporation of technology like image, sound, films, and videos as a part of their literacy resources as well. So the importance of multiliteracy learning in early childhood education is to prepare young adults to navigate complex technology and expression, fostering creativity, adaptability, and critical thinking. In this section, I'm going to talk about article called Children and Teachers Engaging Together in Digital Technology in Early Childhood Setting and Care Institute. So the key points of this literature review is the use of digital technology in early childhood education and setting facilitate children learning and play, as digital technology and tools can be a new form of learning through creative process and a new form of engagement to the children. For example, they can record their own play, rewatch it, and use it as a tool of their reflection and imagination. The second point is the use of technology facilitates early literacy development skill for the children, as the use of multimodal learning and creative process learning. For example, children can use digital technology to save their work and explore the ongoing exploration and interest, and use it as a process of scaffolding their reflection. So, and the other point is the use of digital technology in children in early childhood education can promote co-learning between educators and children, especially during the exploration of new topic and new interests for their children to facilitate their creativity and imagination in children. And teachers plays important role in mediating the use of digital technology in their learning and development. And then the use of digital technology enhance children's play from explorative play to creative and imaginative play. The second article is called The Contested Space, the dialogic intersection of information communication technology, which is ICT, multiliteracy, and early childhood. The key points of the article is the incorporation of digital technology and text can be viewed as an important approach of multiliteracy pedagogy in literacy learning in early childhood education. The role of technology in multimodal learning and development for the young children is to provide the modes of construction and expressing meaning. It helps to reinstate the rationale of modifying the pedagogical approaches in incorporating digital technology and text as multiliteracy approaches and pedagogy in early childhood setting by early childhood educators. And another point is the finding indicates that the professional development, learning, and support plays a very important role in incorporating digital technologies and text as a means of learning in multiliteracy approaches by early childhood educators. And also the finding of this article is the dialogic intersection of ICT, multiliteracy, and early childhood education can be viewed as a balanced element which can be used in our daily teaching practices. Theories and practices that can be used in understanding pedagogies, multiliteracy, pedagogy of multiliteracy in early childhood education can be social cultural theory. Vygotsky's social cultural theory emphasizes on the importance of social interaction in learning. The framework is the foundation on how children learn and develop their literacy skill in a collaborative way. For instance, in early childhood education, educators can create a space where children are promoted to interact, create a story, use and dialogue in a collaborative way. So, like for example, using digital tools that helps children to create a story or multimedia presentation together as a pair in an interactive way helps to promote the understanding of social interaction is the way of learning, and learning through this interaction with peers, children, and educators. Then they can be exposed to various perspective insights, helping them to the exposure of different literacy skills. So another can be play-based learning. The multiliteracy framework and play-based learning approach go together, as both of them are there to promote children's curiosity and learning. The use of digital technologies which can be used of sounds, graphics, films, videos, and all and other digital resources can be a very important part of playful interaction for the children, as it provides a very new engagement for their imaginative play, and it helps them to try out new things, experiment, express themselves in a different way. For example, storytelling or use of interacting apps can help children in playful learning and playful learning and exploration, and it is important for the educators to create a learning and engaging space using digital tools, which helps to enhance the interaction and engaging environment, and which helps children to promote their learning multimodally by treating them as in to develop literacy learning in children. So another can be scaffolding. The role of scaffolding is very important when it comes to children literacy, multiliteracy development, and use of new technologies and devices as a part of their learning experience. So according to Vygotsky, children learn most effectively when they are guided to the task that is just beyond their capabilities, which is called zone of proximal development. In early childhood educator can scaffold and role model the use of new technology, which can encourage children to explore and eventually helps them to figure out the things by themselves, how the technology works and how they can interact and how they can interpret their learning in the activity. For example, educators trying new thing or new technology can encourage children, and the use of educators strategies like open-ended questions, interactive prompt to question, and constructive feedback in using of new digital technology and tools can expose children to digital literacy, as well as helps them to understand multiliteracy, which helps them to explore their creativity and imagination. So in conclusion, the understanding of multiliteracy in early childhood education is very important, as it helps to expand the meaning making of the children by using very visual, lots of visuals, graphics, sounds, images, and other digital resources. It helps children to find a new form of engagement, which helps to explore their creativity and curiosity as well. And the use of digital technology as a multiliteracy approach helps children to develop their early literacy skills, which is very important for them to success in 21st century. And digital technology and multimodal text can be used for the children to enhance their skills and development.